Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the NEMIX RAM 128GB DDR4 ECC or DIMM kit, specifically designed for servers and workstations. If you're looking to boost the performance of your machine, especially in demanding environments, this memory kit might be exactly what you need. This kit comes with 8 16GB sticks, totaling a massive 128GB of DDR4 memory. It operates at a speed of 3,200 MHz, which translates to PC4-25600. The 1RX4 configuration and a CAS latency of 22 ensure smooth and efficient data processing. It runs at a standard 1.2V, making it relatively power efficient for its performance class. One of the key features is that it's ECC registered or error correcting code registered DMM. This is crucial for servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. ECC memory detects and corrects internal data corruption, preventing crashes and ensuring stability, especially during critical operations. NEMIX RAM focuses on providing high-quality memory solutions, and this kit seems to align with that goal. They specialize in enterprise storage RAM, so you can expect a product built for reliability and performance under heavy workloads. Installation is generally straightforward. You'll want to consult your server or workstation's manual for specific instructions, but the process usually involves simply inserting the memory modules into the appropriate slots on your motherboard. The difference after installation can be significant, especially if you're upgrading from a smaller amount of RAM or slower modules. Expect faster loading times, smoother multitasking, and improved overall system responsiveness. NEMIX RAM backs their products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality and durability of their memory. They also offer IT support, which can be helpful if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. If you're running a server or workstation that demands high performance and reliability, the NEMIX RAM 128GB DDR4 ECC or DIMM kit is definitely worth considering. The combination of high capacity, error correction, and a solid warranty makes it a compelling option for professionals and enthusiasts alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.